In this video, I'm going to show you all of the different images that are included in the Boho PLR planner templates and how to use them. So here is a planner template. This is the one without the borders for KDP. And what I'm going to do is, they're already in here, but I'm going to delete all of these pages. So just give me 1 minute. All right, I deleted all of the pages and I have a blank one. This is 8.5 by 11, but you can change it to a different size. And let me show you how to do that really quick. You go into View, Slide Master, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and then you just change it here. So maybe you want it 8 by 10 or 6 by 9, whatever. But I'm going to leave this as 8.5 by 11 right now, and I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to close the master view. Next, I'm going to show you all of the PNG files in the zip file. So we're going to go to Insert. All right, so here are all of the PNG files that come in the zip file. Let me shrink it down just a little bit. All we have to do now is just pick what we want on our first page of the planner. Let's say we're going to put in a month template. So I'm going to insert the month template. Okay. And then we can put in the days of the week. So I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box, and it looks like it fits, but when I get to Wednesday, it's going to be a little too big. So let's change this to MON. We're going to change the font. You can change it to anything you like. And then you can put the dates in here if you want. You can put them in really large. Of course, this is assuming that the month we're looking at starts Monday the 1st. Don't forget, we want to put the month up here. All right. Maybe we want to make the numbers small and you want to add something else in here. That's completely fine. This is perfect for Etsy, but remember, if you're going to use this for KDP, you really need to use the other template that has the 1/2 inch border all the way around. But I did say we're going to create something new. So here's something, but let's do the new part. Let's insert pictures. Let's do the teepees. Okay, so I'm going to bring them down, zoom in here so I can see what's going on. You can see that the images are very nice. Okay, and then just like in the other video, I'm just going to add some lines here. They could go all the way across or wherever you like. And there you go, you just add some more. Maybe you want a box in here. So let's insert pictures and let's see what our choices are for boxes. Well, I have one right here that we can insert, and we're going to shrink this one up, it like that, or if we shrink it up even more, copy paste, we could have, maybe we could have 2 of them next to each other if I can slow down here a little bit. So here's one possibility, whoops. And so here's one possibility using a couple different pieces from our images. Let's try another picture. And I think I talked about this a little bit in my previous video. Here we go. Let's say that I want to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of a trick that I like to use to make sure that I can get these centered correctly. Right now, this would be centered in the center, on the left, and on the right. But let's put it in the center. This one I'm going to do right to the center, to the end, and then do this one in the center. So now they're both in the center, and that's really nice. We're going to right-click, copy, right-click, paste, and bring it down. Bring it up just a little, I think. You can decide where you want it to go. And there you go. Of course, this is going to be breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, so you can change that. But let's insert, oh gosh, let's insert this one. Actually, let's do this one. And maybe you want for breakfast, you want to have 3 pieces to your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So maybe a dairy and a fruit and, whatnot. There you go. This is another neat planner page that you can create and sell. Let's do another one. And this is just simply going in and picking the different pieces that I've already created for you. Let's do this one. So let's look at a couple of different things we can do with this. Let's make it a little bit bigger. What I like about these, if I go into picture format, color, I can actually change the color of these. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Now can you think of how many different planners you can make? You can make green ones, blue ones, yellow, and sell them each separately, or count them each as part of your own planners that you sell. And don't forget that when you put in some text, you can even change the color of your text to match your planner. Oh wow, this is insane. So let's insert one more piece here. What should we insert? Gosh, I don't know. Let's insert this. Let's see what we can do with this. It's not quite fitting. Well, let's rotate it. Remember, this is yours. Use your creativity. Now that's kind of cool. Maybe this is a first, second, third thing to do during the day. But once again, don't forget that you can change the color to match the other colors. So now hopefully you are now creating your own ideas to create your own planners. And remember, basically a planner only has 2 or 3 separate pages, and you just repeat. And you can do that here in PowerPoint. So let's say I'm going to use these 2 pages. I'm going to use my control key, highlight them, right click, copy. I'm going to go down here, paste, paste, paste until you can't paste anymore. Way down here on the left, it tells you we have 9 slides. I usually do between 100 and 110 slides for my journals, especially for KDP, because then on the side of the book, I can put the name of the book or the journal or the notebook that I'm creating, and that's pretty neat, but you don't have to. But don't forget, anything you create, you need to save as a PDF before you sell them. So here we go, just save as a PDF and boom, you're done. You're ready to start raking in the money, right? I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy this template, and keep your eyes open because every template I create, they can be mixed and matched together. So this is just simply the first one. So keep your eyes open and start planning and making money today.